What's going on, produce people? Today I want to talk about the Landrace Okra project. Just some notes and information about goals for the project. I don't really have a lot of fruit producing yet. I don't even really have any plants blooming yet, but I hope to have that in the future and continue this project on into the future and be able to send seeds back to going to seed afterwards. So this is one of the landrace projects from last year. One of the goals of the project is I want to be able to direct sow it. I do not want to have to put it in cups, pot up, seed start inside every year. I do enough of that with tomatoes and sweet potatoes and peppers. And it would be nice if I could get okra to just be direct sown like a green bean. So this one is a volunteer from last year. It's starting to look like I'm not gonna like that pod size. I think it's gonna get fatter rather than longer. That's less than ideal. I don't think people, I know at the market around here, people do not like the fatter okra. They're really just, they want an okra about this size to this size. Anything bigger than that, and they assume that it's too old and too fibrous. So trying to also breed for goals of the market in my area while also finding something interesting and that's, you know, uncommon. I also like this plant because if you'll notice, it is suckering, and I really like that about this okra plant. I didn't know they did that, but that is a quality I am interested in. Over here, I've direct sown some green beans with some okra seed. I got the okra seed from going to seed, and I think there was a landrace mix on the experimental farm network, and that's what I started out with. Interested to see what comes of it, what types of fruit come out of this year. If you'll notice, there's a lot of, you know, like this one. This one's got a different leaf structure than, say, this one. It's not as lobed. There's definitely more prominence in the leaf to tell. Or this one. Like this one's almost entirely rounded off, but it's got that purple and a green stem. Some of them have purple and a red stem, you know? So I don't really, this one's probably the darkest in color out of all of them. So I don't really care about the color that much. If the pods are colorful, that's ideal, because with color comes different nutrient profiles. But yeah, I'm not really interested in the color of the plant. That don't really matter too much to me. Ideally, I would like it to be less itchy. I don't know if that's possible, but okra gives me a mean itch. Itches the heck out of me. So if we can get that to be a little less itchy, that'd be ideal. Like I said, suckering. I want a productive plant. I want the pod to be long and skinny rather than short and fat. Oh, and the less fibrous, the better. I don't like to chew on wood, so I would imagine most other people don't either. If you have any ideas for the project, any genetic notes, anything like that, drop it down in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting, leave it a thumbs up. Hope to see you all in the next video. Peace out, produce people.